Hi, Brad Poche here with Berryland Campers. Thank you for visiting us here on the World Wide Web. It's September 2018, the fall, and today we're going to talk about some of the changes in our Puma line. We're going to talk about our Puma lineup, and when I say Puma, that encompasses a lot of things. Puma now builds the Puma XLE brands. They're going to build toy haulers. We have a destination series of Puma travel trailers that we sell here at Berryland Campers. But today we're going to talk about the standard Puma, some of the changes that they're making in the fall here of 2018. And not only we're going to talk about the standard Puma, today we're going to talk about 4 washer dryer floor plans in particular. Puma is one of the few travel trailer manufacturers that will actually factory install a washer dryer. And this is not a destination trailer or part model. This is a travel trailer that's designed to go up and down the road. We're also going to talk about some features that are standard on the Puma lineup, and that'll also encompass the rest of the Puma lineup that doesn't have the washer dryer option in it. But today we're going to talk about the 4 washer dryer units. I'm standing in front of the 31 FKRK. And as you can see, it's got this fancy front cap. This is a painted front cap with an automotive style windshield. It's a front kitchen floor plan. It's actually the longest floor plan here on the washer dryer units, coming in at 37.8. It's got a dry weight of 82.63. It's not the heaviest because it has 2 slide outs. This unit here is the 31 RLQS. This has been one of our best sellers. This is a rear living room triple slide, and we're going to try to walk into these units here and give you an idea. I want to take a picture of the washer dryer. Before we walk inside and start looking at the different floor plans that we have, the 4 different floor plans, I want to point out some of the features on the exterior. And these features are going to be standard across the Puma lineup, our standard Puma lineup. You're going to find these standard features. Tall propane tanks in the front, power tongue jack here in the front. It's called the power package. You get the power tongue jack in the front as well as the power stabilizing jacks here in the rear. Not in the rear, the front and the rear. So you're going to have 2 sets of power stabilizing jacks. You're going to have a bigger awning than you're going to find on just about all of our competition. So as you're shopping a floor plan, you find a floor plan you like, check the awning size and compare it to the Puma. We're going to outdo our competition almost every floor plan on the market. The solid step stabilizer steps, these things have really been popular as of late. You got a nice big deck. This is an extra wide deck here on your top step. That's a really cool feature. We're not going to walk around in the back, but a factory installed roof ladder is standard on all of the Pumas all of our standard Pumas that you see here. So I think factory install is something that's very important because it's put on at the factory. They know there's a backing there. It's designed for a ladder. I know a lot of dealers will dealer install a ladder afterwards, and it's hard to find the backing. We run into problems with that from time to time. You don't have to worry about that on your Puma. We're going to jump into the inside of some of these floor plans. The first one we'll start at the biggest, the one we talked about earlier, the FKRK. And then we'll kind of move around and show you the 4 washer dryer floor plans that we have in stock here at Berryland Campers. We're in the inside of the 31 FKRK, the longest of Puma's washer dryer standard travel trailers. This unit comes in at 37.8. It's not the heaviest, it's the longest. It has 2 slide outs. Big advantage of the double slide instead of the triple. You're going to have all your awning area. This has a huge awning and outside storage area on the outside. But just talking about the interior floor plan, you're going to have 2 seating areas. You're going to have a love seat as well as theater seating. It's important this theater seating is right across from your TV. Your TV area is going to come with a standard DVD player as well as sound bar, as well as the fireplace here. So you got a fireplace. I don't know if you can hear the air conditioner. See, we're in the cool now. It's still hot in Louisiana. It's September. But this unit has 2 air conditions on it. That's standard with any regular Puma with 2 slide outs. So if we build or stock a unit with 2 slide outs in a standard Puma, it's going to have 2 air conditioners on it. Booth dinette, you can get this with your option, freestanding dinette or a booth. We're going to have them in stock here at Berryland Campers. The front kitchen floor plan, this is kind of unique on this unit. This floor plan has 2 unique features. It's going to have the automotive windshield with the fiberglass front cap, and this is the only floor plan that it's available on in a Puma travel trailer. And you're also going to have a king bed in the rear. So that's kind of what makes this unit special. It has the king bed and the automotive style windshield with the fiberglass front cap. Guys, all these floor plans and units are going to have huge storage when it comes to storage and pantry. You can make this a hanging closet. You can make a pantry out of it. You can add shelves. An 11 cubic foot residential style refrigerator. This is actually a 12-volt refrigerator. Very efficient, works great. These are standard features on all of our 2019 going forward Pumas. If you look at the floor, this is a brand new flooring and linoleum that's out for this year. We're going to jump over. We're in the biggest, and we're going to go to the bunkhouse. We're going to go to the RBFQ floor plan and check out the bunkhouse with the washer dryer. Once again, we're kind of talking about the washer dryer floor plans on our Puma travel trailers today. All right, guys, we're in the bunkhouse floor plan with the washer dryer, and this is the bedroom that you're going to find in every floor plan that we look at from here on out in this video. It's a little different than the first one that we shown because it has the king bed. This one's going to have a queen bed, but what I want to make sure I point out is this year we've gone to a full 60 by 80 queen bed. So this is the same size queen bed you would have in your home. If you go buy sheets from the Dillard's or Walmart or wherever you get your sheets from, they're going to fit this bed. I think that's important because a lot of people are using these as extended stay campers. They're staying in them for a time with the washer dryer capability, and you want to be comfortable. You want to be able to, if you want to take and put your mattress from your house in here, it works. This is the washer dryer up here in the front. It's in the front of the camper. It's a stack washer dryer, Whirlpool, so you know, good brand there. And guys, this is what a lot of our customers are looking for. If you don't want the washer dryer, we can certainly take it out and you're going to add to this huge closet. But even with the washer dryer, you're going to get plenty of closet space here. So you're going to have 4 doors here, and this is deep. I mean, this is, for me to reach the back, I'm just reaching the back. So it's deep. So you got plenty of storage at the bottom. Now on the outside, you're going to have access to this from the outside. So you're going to have some exterior storage there, tons of interior storage. I also want to point out this is a queen bed, but look how easy I'm walking around in this bed. There's even a gap here in the slide out so that if someone's making it, they can make it back here and make this bed up. We have a plug on this side, and then you got this little closet here you could actually use for storage to the side of the bed. So if you need to plug anything up, we also have some phone charger USB ports in here by this little vanity area. So nice big bedroom, nice area. This is the bedroom that's going to be in the next 3 units we talk about. We're going to turn the camera off and flip around. We're in the bunk unit, so I'm going to go show you the bunk room and the living area. This is the second largest washer dryer floor plan, coming in at 36.9, and that's overall length. That's from the tip to the tip. And it's at 88.93 as far as your dry weight. So you got some truck guys will tell you can pull this with a half-ton truck. It's a long, big trailer, but some of these half-ton trucks are ready to pull 10,000 pounds nowadays. So it certainly wouldn't be out of the question to do it. 3/4 ton truck can easily pull this, and you can really get down the road with it. With the bunkhouse, you're going to get the U-shaped dinette, which is going to be in most of our bunkhouse floor plans that we're going to carry, the 31 BHSS. A lot of the other Puma standard floor plans are going to have this U-shaped dinette, and our customers really like it because you can sleep extra people here. In our shower area, or excuse me, our bathroom area, we have a full-size shower, and that's a big deal. A lot of bunkhouses will put the little rectangle tubs. This is the first bathroom we're sticking our head out, and it has the garden shower, which is it's the biggest option for a bunkhouse travel trailer. In the other floor plans we'll stick our head in, it's got even a bigger shower. So lots of room as far as the shower. We're going to walk back here to our bunk room, turn a few lights on here. I'm noticing we got a pan back here. This little pan is for our induction cooktop, which is in our outdoor kitchen, which is on the back side of this floor plan. So you got a huge outdoor kitchen. I don't know if we'll get back there to be able to take a good picture of it before we get out of here. We've done a lot of videos on Puma outdoor kitchens. They have one of the best in the industry. The induction cooktop, they're going to have plenty of room and plenty of storage back there. This is our standard bunk room. It's the same bunk room on a 31 BHSS. You're going to have the sofa. This little area folds up. But this is a wide bunk, guys. You got a lot of room. You can sleep a lot. This folds up. This sofa folds up. So that you can actually sit here and play video games across if you want to. Night light, place to plug your phone in. So this is one of our best bunkhouses, now available with a washer dryer. That's the cool thing about it. With an outdoor kitchen, with a huge awning outside, I mentioned it. So come out and take a look at this one. We're going to jump over now to the 31 RLQS, which is our best-selling travel trailer floor plan with the washer dryer. It's a non-bunk triple slide. All right, we're in our best-selling washer dryer model that we have here at Berryland Campers. I think some of the other ones may catch it. Some of the other ones are new, but it's going to be hard to beat. This is a really nice trailer that's got a lot of room. It's got a big bathroom. It's got a lot of kitchen, living room area. Still at the heaviest, it's the heaviest one we have with a washer dryer. You're still less than 9,000 pounds. So this unit has a dry weight of 88.95 and it has an overall length of 35.11. So you're less than 36 foot and you're under 9,000 pounds with 3 slide outs, 2 air conditioners, and a washer dryer. So with all these cool features, it's a lot of value, a lot of bang for your buck. One of the new features that we're doing this year, and I wanted to wait till we got to this big kitchen to show you, is this stainless steel farmhouse sink. And a lot of our customers like this nice big, especially down here in Louisiana. You can clean your big pots and pans and dishes. Really nice countertops. We made a little change there. This is recessed, so you put this on, you got a real nice clean solid surface here. Plenty of counter space here in your kitchen area. So not only do you have this big island, you got a big area here maybe for a coffee pot. You got a plug there. Stainless steel appliances. You got 2 drawers here and then a nice big, we used to call this a pots and pans drawer here underneath the area there. Also a cabinet, so even bigger pots you can fit into there because you don't have to worry about being restricted by the drawer. This has got the fancy new stove too. Let's see how that flips back. But it's got these metal grates on it. It's stainless steel, but this is actually a metal grate like you'd find in a residential style. And these are new. You'll see this in a lot of stuff, but this is new, and I think it matches the trends that are going on right now. It looks good. There's a little light there. You can turn that on for a night light. And these are, once again, the kind of appliances you're going to find in the, some of our nicer travel trailer brands. Stainless steel fronted on your refrigerator. Once again, this is a 12 volt, 11 cubic foot residential style refrigerator. Back here in your living area, you're going to have plenty of room. Theater seats that are directly across from your entertainment center. I'm jumping back and forth, but I don't want to forget this pantry. Huge pantry here. The fireplace is something we're seeing in these washer dryer models. The cool thing about the fireplace is you can actually run it for electric heat. So you can turn that fireplace on a day. Here in Louisiana, we're in September. You're going to need both of the air conditions today here in Louisiana, and you're probably going to need them throughout November. But as you move farther north, you guys are going to have a morning where it's 50 degrees outside and it get a little chilly in here. You can turn this fireplace on, turn the fans on your air conditioning, and move that hot air around and really make a difference. Rear sofa, this makes into a hide-a-bed sofa. I didn't mention things like this earlier, and this is standard throughout the Puma lineup. Once again, you're going to have these cloth nightshades, which are they're good at making privacy, keeping light out, but they're also easy to use. And then you're going to have cabinets, overhead cabinets in the rear here of your camper. I'll turn a few of these lights on. But here in the rear, you're going to have these overhead cabinets also in your slide out. And we just jumped into here. This actually has a switch here, so if you're watching TV, you can switch that on. But these overhead cabinets, not only do they look good, but they serve a function, you know. Storage is everything when it comes to campers. Another thing I'm going to point out is the bathroom in this Puma. This actually has the 30 by 48, that's 4 foot, 30 inches by 4 foot shower. And that's going to be available on a lot of these floor plans. The first one we looked at, the FKRK, is going to have this big shower. The next one, the shortest one we're going to look at, is going to have this big shower. So you're looking at a 30 by 4 foot shower on most everything you have. Also, big sink. You're going to have a few storage cabinets in your bathroom, so you're going to have a place to put things. But these are things that are standard on the entire Puma lineup. We're going to leave this and we're going to look at our last one. We've talked about now 3 of the 4 washer dryer floor plans. The next one we're going to look at is the 32 RKTS. So hang around and we'll jump into the shortest and lightest of our washer dryer units. All right, guys, we've made it through, like I said, 3 of the 4 washer dryer floor plans, and we saved I guess maybe the best for last. So it depends on what your needs are, but I like this little floor plan, and it's actually the least expensive and the lightest and the shortest of all 4 of the floor plans. So this is the first one that we actually put a washer dryer in with Puma, and it's been a lot of success since. This is the 32 RKTS. This unit is 35 foot 7 inches long, and it's going to weigh 7743. So, you know, if you want to pull this with a half-ton truck, you're rated to do it. You're rated to go into the mountains, and you're rated to kind of get out there and kind of get across the country. It is still a big trailer, but you got a lot of room in here to stay in for an extended period of time and still have the towability of a standard travel trailer. This is the rear kitchen floor plan. You're going to have 2 slide outs on it. Rear kitchen across the back, which gives you plenty of, oh, I locked this earlier. This has a little latch on it, and I wanted to talk about this because if this door happens to come open when the slide out's in, you can't get back in here and close it. So what we did is put a latch on it here, and you can see that's a strong latch because this might be bouncing as you go down the road. Something might fall up against it. The last thing you want to do is for this slide out to catch this doorknob. So we add this little latch here. With a huge pantry area. We've seen this big pantry in the last 3 floor plans that we looked at. This trailer is going to have the same bathroom that we just filmed and the same bedroom. So you got a queen 60 by 80 queen bed. You got a washer dryer stack. And I said I wasn't going to price one of these out, but if you're watching this and made it to the end of this video, we have one of these on sale for $27,990. So you're talking about a travel trailer with 2 air conditioners, 2 slide outs, full-size residential queen bed, 11 cubic foot residential refrigerator, stack washer dryer, all for $27,990, and you can pull it with a half-ton truck, and it's less than 36 foot, so 35 foot 7 inches. My cheat sheet fell down there on the ground, but this is a great deal. Come on in and see us. We'd love to show you the different options we have. If you're looking for something that's more of a residential or park model, we have a full lineup of the Puma Destination series, which you'll see a little video we did on that. We also have them available in the Sierra. And then if you want something a little shorter and the washer dryer's not for you, we have plenty of standard Puma floor plans in stock with all these standard features that we talked about today. So come by and see us at Berryland Campers. We're on I-12 exit 42, or check us out on the web at berrylandcampers.com.